Hi, my name is Dorian and I'm with Cosbar. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Tata Harper's clarifying mask and Patchology's eye patches. Now, I like to use two different types of masks because every customer is going to be different and have different types of skin, and the skin on your face is actually a little bit different in different areas. So our clarifying mask is going to go in the T-zone, and we're going to apply patches to the eye area to reduce any puffiness and help to fight fine lines and wrinkles. I like to apply the mask with a little fan brush, but you can definitely use your fingers. And with a quick little application that leaves on about 5 to 10 minutes, this is really going to help to target any concerns you currently have. A clarifying mask is really going to help open the pores, detox the skin, and help with any blemishes that you might feel that you're getting. And this is a quick, easy treatment that you can use at any time of the day to really give you that beautiful glow you're looking for any event. Again, you're going to put it on in a thin layer. Leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes and rinse the product off, leaving the skin looking gorgeous and beautiful. A light little application, grab a little eye patch and put it right underneath the eye area. The overlapping of the masks doesn't really make that much of a difference because the clay is going to help to pull everything out of the pore as the eye patches really infuse hydration, reduce puffiness, and help with fine lines and wrinkles. And working in pairs, we're going to grab the second little eye gel, pop that right on the eye area, and now you sit back, relax, and let the product do all the work.